We are here at the ISTE conference where 15,000 educators have come together to talk all about student achievement and how we can be successful in our classroom. And if it's ISTE season, I'm here with my good friend Sue-Ann Towell. Sue-Ann, how are you today? How's ISTE?
I'm great, Jeff. Thanks. And it's good to see you again. It's been a bit. And ISTE's great, as per usual.
ISTE is fantastic. We're standing here in front of the entrance to the main stage, and I'm excited about some of the new things that are happening today with MetaMetrics. Talk to us about the new hub.
The new hub. So Jeff, the last time we talked about the hub, I think it was right around 2018. It was our first version of the hub, and MetaMetrics has an all-new commitment toward equity and inclusivity, and we made a new hub that will launch in September that is fully AA accessible.
Talk to us a little bit about that. Why make the change and why update?
Well, it's important that all users, including users with disabilities, have access to the hub and that they can navigate it efficiently like all users. And so the things that we've done have made people with disabilities such as vision and hearing and motor skills and cognitive skills, all of those things have been accounted for in the new hub, and they can use it in a very seamless way.
Let's tell our audience today, how can we find it?
Hub.lexile.com is the place that the hub resides. The new hub will come out right around mid-September, but Jeff, I have to say, we couldn't just leave it with accessibility. We went ahead and redesigned the entire hub using the latest in user-centric design.
What was that process like?
Long. It was long, and we spent about 2 years doing it, and we interviewed almost 100 teachers to find out what they liked about the existing hub, what didn't work, and we went back to the drawing table and made a lot of changes.
What was it like working with so many teachers and getting their feedback?
Teachers are wonderful. It's the reason why we developed the hub in the first place. So as you know, MetaMetrics are the builders of the Lexile framework for reading and the Quantile framework for mathematics. And every year, approximately 30 million students around the world receive Lexile and Quantile measures. And we knew it was important to make sure that our educators had the right tools to make those measures meaningful. So it was a great process to work with the teachers themselves and hear, again, what worked, what didn't work, and make it better.
So we have a new hub coming out in September. We have
Correct.
feedback from the teachers. Talk to us a little bit about where the students and the parents come into all this.
Okay, well, there are several tools on the hub that are applicable to both parents and to students as well. And I think about a couple that come to mind, like Find a Book, where students, parents, and educators can put in those all-important Lexile measures and find the just right book for their student or child. We also have tools that address college and career readiness, and tools that address foundational reading that are supported by the science of reading. So we have tools that support many audiences that range from grade K all the way to grade 12.
Now, many of our audience members are instructional coaches, the people that get a chance to work with teachers directly in the classrooms. How do they fit into all this, and how can they be helpful with teachers?
Terrific question. Those same tools that I was just describing are everyday classroom tools, bringing efficiency and time savings to the educators who are using them with their students. So I think that all the changes that we made will make things even better for those educators.
Now, you said September.
September.
What is this transformation going to look like? Are schools going to get an email? Are they just going to wake up? How does this transformation happen, and what will teachers notice that is going to be different?
So we'll be informing our state partners. About half of our nation's states are Lexile and Quantile partners with us. We'll be having an extensive communication plan to inform our state partners so they can inform all their educators about the change. And lots of other communications as well. But the truth is yes, there will be nothing that the educator, the parent has to do in order to access this new hub. It will be the same URL, got to put the plug in, hub.lexile.com. Yes, exactly. They'll be able to access the new hub very seamlessly.
Now, with 15,000 educators walking around, there's got to be somebody here that is looking to get started with MetaMetrics. How can they reach out to you, and where do they go?
hub.lexile.com. There's contact us. Feel free to contact us at any time.
We're broadcasting live from the ISTE conference in Denver, Colorado. Stay tuned for more information with TEACHERCAST.
You've been listening to the TEACHERCAST Educational Network, hosted by Jeff Bradbury. Please reach out to the show with all of your questions on Twitter @TEACHERCAST or online at www.teachercast.net. Be sure to subscribe to our podcast so you don't miss any future episodes. And please take a moment to write a review in the App Store.